Hi there friends, this is Deepaks and I welcome you all to a new session in Deepak's kitchen. And today, a lot of friends and subscribers also asked me to show me a South Indian famous recipe called as a Paddu. For a variation, actually I saw in my fridge there is a leftover dosa batter. Using that batter only, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and yummy Paddu. So, without much of it, let's see how this beautiful Paddu is done. To make this awesome Paddu, the ingredients required are the leftover dosa batter, finely chopped onions 100 grams, grated carrot 20 grams, chopped coriander 1 tablespoon, finely chopped green chilies 2 number, chopped curry leaves 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon of gram dal, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of sugar, salt as per taste, oil as required. Here I got the leftover dosa batter. In this I am going to add a half a teaspoon of sugar. What this sugar will do is, when we cook this in the tawa, the sugar will caramelize and gives it a nice color. And in this I will also add some grated carrot and also add some finely chopped coriander. And I will mix this. Do remember one thing, if you have already used some cooking soda in the batter, then there is no need to add the cooking soda. If you didn't add, you need to add a pinch of cooking soda to this and allow this to rest. Here you can see I kept a pan to heat. In this I am going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. And now the oil seems to be nice and hot. In this we'll add some mustard seeds and the gram dal and allow this mustard to crackle. And now in this we'll add some green chilies and the finely chopped curry leaves and put the flame to low and give this a nice mix. And now the tampering is now ready, and now we'll add the finely chopped onion and we'll add the remaining salt and give this a final mix. Keep in mind there is no need to cook the onions. Anyway, it's going to cook in the Paddu stove. And here you go, the Paddu tampering is now ready. And now here I've got this tampering here and I will add this to the batter. And we'll add some remaining coriander also. And we'll give this a nice mix. And here you go, the nice Paddu mix is now ready. So let's see how to make this Paddu. Look, for starters, I have kept a Paddu pan which has a nice holes like this. So you need to completely heat it. The first and most important thing is the heating. It should be nice and hot. At this time, you need to add a tablespoon of oil each in each and every hole. And allow this oil to heat. When you know the oil is nice and hot, the oil starts to smoke. At that time you'll know the oil is nice and hot. And now you can see the oil is nice and hot. It's also smoking right now. We'll mix this batter nice and good and take some and add this. Don't add too much. Don't fill up the entire hole. And here you go, allow this to cook on this side completely. And now we'll close this lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. And now look, it's been nearly 2 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, this looks perfect. And what you need to do is, with the help of a spoon, carefully scoop it out and flip it. Perfect. Just take it out and flip it. And allow this side to cook for about 1 minute. And here you go, the perfect paddu are now ready. Let's take them out in a plate. And here you go, the nice and famous paddu are now ready to taste. And now you know how to do the South India's famous paddu, that too using a leftover dosa batter. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon and turn on the notifications to all. So a lot of people are asking me to do a channel in Hindi also. As per your request, I have created a new Hindi channel by the name Deepaks Kitchen Hindi. The link for this channel is also given in this iCard here and also given in the description. Please do check my new channel and also don't forget to subscribe to that one also. So we'll be back with another MA recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepaks signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.